Hello, hello, somebody there?
Hello, good afternoon.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning, Engineer Frank. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine.
This is Amos Emmanuel. Welcome, sir.
Yeah,
Oh, great, great, great. Great, good morning,
yeah,
sir.
yeah. Just let me try it. We're still evolving.
Oh, I know, quite all right. Everybody does. How it works, sir.
All right.
I'm very grateful we're able to get this off the ground today. Oh, gosh. So, this.
Yes, we have to wait for others to join.
Oh, very well. The event is at 11:30, so
Okay.
we have the benefit of ensuring that we ourselves, as panelists, we are good. So I know
Okay.
the time is pretty busy. A lot of people in some other webinars.
Let me see if I can improve my audio. Just a moment.
Yes. Yeah. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. How are you, sir? No, no, no. Yours is separate. Yours is okay. Okay. Yours is separate. Let me verify this. Oh, let's see. Even as at last night and this morning, I have resent. Okay, I'll refresh. It was something at Kcam. I think I'll check it. I'll just do. Yes, I'll see. I'll do a resend now. I have one speaker already. The manufacturer station Nigeria is here. I'm just trying to do a dry run. Yeah, I'm trying to log in to where I can send it. I'll just do a resend. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Great. I'm trying to resolve other participants now.
And you're calling me?
Oh, you are in already?
You are trying to call me.
Oh, great, great. I was trying to verify. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, Engineer Tayo is in. Mr. Izebuno is in. Welcome, sirs. So I need to verify that Melanie is fine. The president of LCS just called that it may have like 30 minutes delay. Yeah.
Yeah, hello. How are you? I guess you're all joining.
Yes. So currently I have Engineer Onyebu, Chairman, Manufacturer Association of Nigeria, and I have Mr. Bonnie of ITAN, and I have Mr. Izebuno, and the president of ITAN is on currently. And I think that you can also see my digital self.
I need to improve on my audio. Just a moment.
And I think your sound is fine, sir.
Amos, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay.
I can hear you. Your sound is good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hello, Mr. Femi. Please give me. Okay. Did you register before? Just use the link. You can't get it in your mail, you mean? WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, no, that link, you are supposed to register with that link into the meeting. Okay, 3 after. Okay. Strictly, and you're supposed to be in.
My president.
You're supposed to be in.
I agree to. How are you, sir? Hello, can you hear me?
Very well.
Can you hear me?
Very well,
Hello,
yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I think it's better now. I wasn't using earphone before.
Excellent, excellent. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Izebuno, good morning.
I can't hear you.
Are you? Good morning. Good morning. Can you hear me?
Loud and clear.
Excellent.
Loud and clear.
Excellent. Excellent. Yeah, Mr. Tayo. I know this morning you are leaving one other meeting to join us.
Now, this report actually endorsed my minister of education so much so that February this year, NICA won the Technology Development Agency. Again, as I skipped it, we have had some training programs with Unity Board. You know, I had a physical training of Ireland in commemoration of Democracy Day. However, we have other programs we are creating where young people can take active participation, not just learning. People need an application because we want to be overall to be able to solve certain problems that are to Nigeria, and that is all we create startups. Okay? So besides the trainer step, we do what they call field applications or where we are in.
There were some interferences. So as panelists, you can unmute yourselves. Okay, great. So we can hear ourselves back. Mr. Tayo?
Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
And I can hear you. Could that be local?
I can't hear you.
That's local. I can hear him. I can hear you.
I can hear you very well.
Clearly.
Chatting is local.
Digital sovereignty. Adaptation is where you understand the technology and then you can add your own priority to your domain. Also availability. Because also technology imports in Nigeria, we use on the proper campus. Somebody working in the system working in Europe, import it here and no. Forget it.
Okay.
Technology are worked in the different from the Western world and so on and so forth. So it is high time we start thinking in that very direction where we carry out the technology.
There's a sound I'm trying to pin. Where is the sound coming from?
It's coming from your side. There is a background webinar possibly going on.
You're right. Yeah, I guess it's squashed.
Okay, I hope you are not multi-webinar.
In fact, things are happening at the speed of webinars.
Yes.
Right. Okay. So at this time, just to see how we can have our guests also stabilize. We can get a build up of the guests. Can you try to register now and sign in and try again? Because it should have been on. I won't ask you for a password. Just like thanks.
Hello, yeah, hurry on. Yeah, I'm trying to call you. Yeah, we got the payments.
Okay.
You can come and pick it up.
So thank you so much. I guess at this moment we can actually get started. The NCS president will join us. He actually called that one other meeting might cause a delay. And because we have to set the ball rolling on time so that we can actually be able to meet our program. Sharing the program now.
When you call. Sorry about that.